Hey guys, it's Start with Why back with another Japanese lesson for you. So for today, pag-aralan natin kung paano magsabi ng oras in Japanese. If you already know how to count in Japanese, madali lang ito. Ready? To tell the time, all you have to do is say the number and then add the word ji. So yung ji is parang o'clock. So it's ichiji, 1 o'clock, niji, 2 o'clock, sanji, 3 o'clock, yoji, 4 o'clock, goji, 5 o'clock, rokuji, 6 o'clock, shijiji, 7 o'clock, hachiji, 8 o'clock, kuji, 9 o'clock, juji, 10 o'clock, juichiji, 11 o'clock, and juniji, 12 o'clock. Now, if you were paying close attention, you'll notice that there were a few exceptions in there. See if you can spot it. Ilagay ninyo sa comment section. Stay tuned for part 2 para sa minutes.